Today I'll be upgrading the RAM on my Lenovo ThinkPad X260 to 16 gigs of RAM. You're gonna want to start off by taking out the battery, much unlike I did, and then screwing the back panel off. Now the back panel is off, you're gonna want to gently unlock the tabs and take up the RAM stick. Out with the old. And in with the new. Insert it gently into the slot and press gently until you hear a click. Now we're gonna put the bottom panel back on. And screw it back together, obviously. Here I tried to get into the BIOS but couldn't get it. And now we're booted into Windows without any issues. And as you can see, we have 16 gigabytes of RAM installed. And that's pretty much it. This was a very simple few minute install. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.